Hello friends, welcome to Python Class 1 of DVJ Technologies. I am super excited to have you here. This class, I'll be sharing how to install Python and how to start with Python coding. Installing Python is generally easy, and nowadays many Linux and Unix distributions include a recent Python. Even some Windows computers, notably those from HP, now come with Python already installed. Before getting started, you may want to find out which IDEs and text editors are tailored to make Python editing easy. We have multiple IDEs like Spider, PyCharm, IDLE, Atom, Eclipse. If you are completely new to Python learning, please go with Python IDLE Integrated Development Environment. Python IDLE is very bare bones, which makes it the perfect tool for a beginning programmer. Professionalides are more robust pieces of software. Professionalides provides several useful features like basic syntax highlighting, code completion, and auto-indentation like PyCharm, Sublime, Atom, VS Code. To download and install Python, visit the official website of Python. python.org/downloads and download the latest release of Python. On clicking Download, various available executable installers shall be visible with different operating system specifications. Choose the installer which suits your system operating system and download the installer. Let's suppose we select the Windows installer and click on Download. Run the installer. Make sure to select both the checkboxes, that is, Add Python to Path. This is required so operating system will understand Python as internal or external programs. And then click Install Now. To ensure if Python is successfully installed on your system, go to Windows Start and check for Python IDLE. Another option to check Python installation is on Command Prompt. Open the command prompt. Type Python and press Enter. The version of the Python which you have installed will be displayed if the Python is successfully installed on your window. Let's start coding in Python. Once you successfully installed Python, let's see how to start coding with Python. I have IDLE opened and we type in print, hello, and so forth, and the shell will do the printing. As you can see, it's interactive. Python responds to every line of code you enter. Now let's try some mathematically operations. A equals 3. B equals 5. C equals A plus B. And we type in print, C. So expected output 8. As we see, Python responds to every line of code you enter, and it's not a good coding for big line programs. So always go a scripting concept. Let's create a script file so we can add multiple lines and reuse as we need. Click on File. New window will create a script file window. Here, A equals 3, B equals 3, C equals A plus B. Here each line does not immediately produce output. That is because this is a script file editing window, which means the commands won't execute until the file is saved and run. You can run the script by going Run and Run module or simply by hitting F5. Before running, IDLE prompts you to save the script as a file. Choose a name ending in .py and save it on selected folder. The script will then run in the IDLE shell window. Since you now have a saved script, you can run it again, and again, and again. Same as IDLE script file, we can connect Python on command prompts and run the commands or open the saved IDLE.py pythons. If you have any questions, please add in comments or contact on my Gmail or LinkedIn. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.